Hello, my dear friends. Follow me. I'll take you to the world of magic and mysteries.
Follow you? Holy cannoli, but I'm so not ready.
Hi, Sammy. Bye, Sammy. What was that?
Oh, Snow White! I've been waiting for you. Come closer.
Wait, did you say Snow White? Where is she?
It looks like he's talking about you.
Who? Me? Well, I've always wanted to be Snow White. But come on, look at me.
So you don't think you look like her? Then get ready for a magical makeover.
I don't think I feel any different.
And you call that magic makeover? Let a real pro do the job. Behold, the true magician is here. I even have a magic wand. Abracadabra.
Seriously? Nothing's changed.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Huh? Well, of course. Sue, she's gonna help us transform Barbie. Oh, Susie, we missed you so much.
Oh, I missed you too. Actually, I overheard your conversation and I already have a plan.
Yay!
What? Really? Oh, that would be great.
The first thing we need to change is your hair. The color and length are wrong for Snow White. Let's start with the brushing.
Are we gonna cut her hair? I brought scissors.
Good thinking, Sammy.
Sue, I think you should cut a bit more because, huh? Hair rain.
That's what happens when you're in the way. Aw, Barbie, you look so cute with this haircut.
Why, thank you. But do I look like Snow White?
Not yet, sweetie. See, Snow White has dark hair and you're blonde.
Oh, right.
Hold on a sec. I've got a better idea. Let's dye her hair pink.
Weren't we going for Snow White, Sammy?
But we can't not use pink.
We'll think of something else, I promise. Now we're talking.
Wow, I love this color. Are we gonna style my hair too?
Sure, we'll even use these special hair curlers. Let me show you how it works. Now while we wait, let's do you the makeup.
I must admit you did nice here, Susie. But now it's my turn. I'll be her makeup artist. All done. You can go ahead and admire my perfect work, Sue.
Wow, great job, Sammy. Guys, do you agree? Then give this video a like and we'll keep going.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all?
Wait. Before we go any further, I can't give you the answer you're looking for while you're wearing that.
Oh no, you're right. I need a new outfit. Sue, I need a dress. No Snow White wears a home gown.
No worries, I've already started making it.
Cool. It better be perfect.
Yeah, and I'm here to take your measurements. Here too. Got it. Stay still, please. Don't worry. It's not my first rodeo. I'm a professional.
Are you sure you are a professional?
Okay, the top of the dress is almost finished. Huh?
Sue, we need your help. It's urgent.
Something went wrong? And we're stuck.
Okay, here you go. Now let's try on the top. I hope it fits. Perfect! It looks really great. We only need to attach the sleeves.
I already like it.
Tailor Sam is preparing the material for the skirt. Hiya! Huh! Hey! Don't fight! How dare you!
Oh, this color really suits you. Huh? What was that? What's going on, Sammy?
Look, Sue. I've already made the skirt for the dress. Do you like it?
Wow, this is just what I had in mind, Sammy. But first we need to do one more thing. Here, check this out.
Are you sure a transparent dress for Snow White is a good idea at all?
No, that thing will allow the skirt to hold its shape.
Oh,
See? That's it. Doesn't this outfit look nice and beautiful?
it sure does. But don't you think this design is the tiniest bit boring?
Sorry, Sue, but I agree with Sam. Could we make it more interesting?
Okay, I have an idea. But we need some mesh fabric.
Shiver me, Cheddars. This is the task for a true slime. My gut feeling tells me it must be somewhere here. I know I'm close. I can feel it. Hey, who's there? I don't like this prank. Let me go. Help!
Woohoo! Look what we've caught. Yeah.
What a lucky day. Haha.
What do you want from me?
Why did you enter our forest? It's a secret enchanted forest.
Yeah, no one can wander here scot-free.
Please, guys, let me go. I've got donuts I can share.
Donuts?
Why didn't you say so from the very beginning?
Well, I was stressed out, but I really have a few donuts in my pocket.
Say no more. Yummy.
Thanks, buddy.
Hey, can I borrow this?
Sure, why not?
Thanks, guys.
Come again.
Here's your mesh fabric, Sue.
Cool, thanks. We can keep going. Thanks to this fabric, the skirt looks bigger and more beautiful.
So, they grabbed me. Can you imagine? And then they told me it was an enchanted forest. I told them I had donuts and they're like, what?
Sammy, we need flowers.
Fine.
Look, friends, we can easily make them from crepe paper. We just need to cut it into strips. Then we roll each strip up like this. And then we cut out round shapes. See? Nothing complicated here, right?
Flower delivery? Is it perfect or what?
I wasn't talking about real flowers.
Oh, what flowers then?
Check it out. We'll make them from these paper petals. Let's just shape them a bit first.
Do I look like a baby chick?
I wouldn't tell you apart.
Wow! Sue, those paper flowers look so real. Do we put them on the dress or what?
Yeah, I thought we'll just glue them to the skirt. Let's also add some red flowers, for contrast.
Okay, great. Nobody's watching. Mirror! Mirror on the wall! Am I the smartest slime of all?
You, oh brave crafter, Pink Sam, are the smartest slime in this land. But I must tell you,
No, stop right here. I am the smartest slime in the world and that's all. Full stop.
Wow, this dress turned out even better than I imagined.
Have you already heard? I'm the smartest slime ever. The mirror said so, and I have also made this.
Thank you. It's gonna be the perfect belt for the dress. I'll decorate it too. Aww, so pretty. Oh, I have just got another idea.
Back off, Sue! A true professional is at work. Sam, the great glitter maker. Done. Now our Barbie, Snow White, will shine bright like a diamond.
Looks very beautiful, Sammy. But I still feel like something is missing here.
Didn't the classic Snow White have something red in her hand?
Okay, ladies, I'll give you a hint. It's a sweet fruit. Think, and I'm off to the shower.
Right, we need an apple.
Oh, of course. Thanks for the help, Sammy. Now this look is complete. So, do you like Barbie's new image, guys? Let's give it another look.
magicians.
Yes, this dress is really the best. Thank you, guys. I am so happy.
We're always glad to help. But don't take apples from strangers, okay?
Guys, if you like this magic makeover, subscribe to our channel and like this video.
Bye-bye, everyone!